I'm asking you to watch this video because we didn't get to this summary during class today. So you're summarizing it now. I do expect you to come to class with notes for these problems. Is that understood? Great. Okay. So for question C, we have 4 problems. You're just solving linear equations. This is stuff you've been doing since last year. So you rewrite the problem. And the trick here is you have to distribute that number to everything inside the parentheses. So -2 times 3, -2 times 4x. So -2 times 3 is 6 plus 8x. Great. Once you do this distribution, you don't have to write the parentheses anymore. So we still have the 5, and we still have the plus, and we still have the equals y. So now you need to combine similar terms. 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 8x, so y is equal. So then it tells us to solve each expression when y is equal to 0. So instead of y, I just have a big old 0. So let's get the x by itself. -11, -11, because the opposite of positive 11 is negative 11. So we have negative 11 is equal to 8x divided by 8, divided by 8, and so you get x is equal to -11/8. There's no sense in making that a decimal. Just leave it as an improper fraction. That would be the appropriate answer in this case. So for 2, we have 0 is equal to 5 minus 2 times 3 plus 4x. And this time, we're still distributing that 2. But that 2 is negative now, because we have a negative sign in front of it. So we have 5 minus 6 minus 8x is equal to 0. 5 minus 6 is equal to -1 minus 8x is equal to 0. Plus 1 plus 1. 1 is equal to, foreshadowing here, -8x divided by 8, -8 divided by -8, and you get -1/8 is equal to x. Problems 3 and 4 are just the same. Hopefully the sound is still working, as I kicked out my plug accidentally. So we have 0 is equal to 5 plus 2 times 3 minus 4x. So we have 5 plus 6 minus 8x equals 0. So 11 minus 8x. 2 is equal to 0. Minus 11, subtract 11, so -11 is equal to -8x divided by -8 divided by -8, because the opposite of multiplying x by -8 is divided by -8, and you get positive 11/8 is equal to x. So on the other side, same deal. 0 is equal to 5 minus 2, 3 minus 4x. And this whole thing, including the negative sign, needs to be distributed. So we have 5 minus 6 minus 4x is equal to 0. So we get -1 minus 4x is equal to 0, plus 1, plus 1, and you get 1 is equal to -4. Oh, that's -8. My goodness, -8. But wait a second, a negative times a negative? That's not a negative, that's a positive, isn't it? So positive 4x, nope, that's positive 8x, because 2 times 4 is 8, and negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, now we're back where we should be. The opposite of multiplying x by 8 is dividing by 8. So we get x is equal to 1/8.